Husbands, it's time to step up your game. I'm talking about washing clothes. That's right. In addition to showing your wife that you love her, I'm going to give you 3 additional reasons why you should start using the wash machine. If you like what you hear, don't forget to like and subscribe and share this video as well. Okay, here we go. In addition to showing your wife that you love her, reason number 1, it's a power tool. It's got power, it's got a motor, it's a power tool. Don't be scared, okay? So with these guys here, same thing as any other project we do. If you don't know what you're doing, you hop onto YouTube, you look it up. Super simple that way. Remember, we're guys. We're supposed to love machines, right? Okay, so that's reason number 1. It's a power tool. Let's go. Okay, reason number 2, you get to choose what gets to be washed. So here's what I do all the time. I will take all of my clothes, throw them all in all at once. Boom, all my clothes are done. I call it a selfish load. It's selfish because nobody else has to sort it. So super simple as far as that goes. Another secret when it comes to this, you know those unappealing granny panties your wife might have? Well, those go at the bottom of the hamper and all the other stuff gets washed first. Now hold up. Those do come out at some point. You know when she starts getting grumpy? Well, that means that business hours are about to be closed. So we're going to go and pull those out and get those washed up. So that way things are not as hard on us. All right. Reason number 3. She'll have more time to do other stuff, like hanging out and talking with her friends. Now remember, our wives normally got about 50,000 words they got to get through. If you don't want to field all of those, free up some time so she can talk with her friends and use up some of that 50,000 word limit on them. And you will also free up time for her to do other things like sleeping so she has more energy for you. Nudge, nudge, wink, wink, know what I mean, know what I mean? Okay, quick word of caution here. She is going to have some input for you. Take it with a grain of salt and kindly remind her that a thank you would be appreciated as well. Now, ladies, if you're still listening here, I do have some tips for you. If you want to encourage your man, your husband, to continue helping out around the house, you have to say thank you. Save your input for the things that he might do that would cause a disaster. We're talking about reds with whites, we're talking about delicates, we're talking about wool, we're talking about silk, okay? So save your input for the disastrous decisions that he might make. Again, if you want to encourage him, you have to say thank you. And after he gets a good healthy dose of thank yous, he'll probably start looking for other stuff that he can do around the house as well. Also, ladies, he's probably going to do things differently than you do it in some cases. So again, unless it's going to end up disastrously, just let him do it his way. He'll figure it out. It took you a while to figure it out. It'll take him a while as well. The 3 reasons are, it's a power tool, you get to choose what's going to get washed, and she'll have more time for other things. And again, it is a great way to say to your spouse, I love you. So remember, husbands love your wives, and wives respect your husbands. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.